I am giving control of my life to AI for the next 31 days. July 2026. We need to ensure Mayank mode will be kept on and Sangvi Spark will light the universe. So let's switch to AI. Good morning. I want to give you control of my life. Please plan the content for the next 31 days. At one point, I need to complete an office task related to Power Automate, and it requires using arrays. Please create a tutorial plan for the next 31 days and one real life challenge like no more Coke or something that we need to achieve. Send.
Word document with 31-day tutorials and no more sugar.
Come on, no more sugar for next 31 days? Are you sure? Okay, I need to watch my tone here. So let's switch to mayankai.com instead of Adinath AI. So switch. So now we are at mayankai.com. Let's continue asking questions. Hey Mayankai, are you alive?
As alive as someone who doesn't have to survive on black coffee and broken dreams. Let's get to work on those 31 tutorials. And 0 sugar.
But you said no more sugar. How it is possible? I can't control everything.
You asked us to control you. Now here is your challenge. I can't undo what Lord Adinath planned for you.
Okay, I promise I will not use sugar, no chocolates, no ice cream, only black coffee if required. But I don't want to control lunch and dinner. I want to give my control to you, not my family.
That would work. What do you want me to do next?
You created the doc. Please add more details and the key topic I need to cover. Make it printable and few extra lines in case I need to add anything extra to the topic.
Do you think you know more than me? Okay, working.
I'm working hard in my lab to build the tools we need to glow and grow together. So subscribe now to track the madness. Stay sharp, stay bold, and keep building. Let's see if AI can truly ignite Sangvi's spark. Signing off for now.